In this training video, I want to show you how to start getting instant quality traffic to any affiliate link. Now you can promote Clickbank products, Warrior Plus products, Explodely products. You can promote your own system, anything with the traffic source that I am about to give you in this video. Now this is just not a normal traffic source. It's a traffic source that can potentially bring results with depending on your email swipes, email follow-ups, and the person who purchased the product. So I'm going to walk you through this in this training video step by step, how to find the right person to purchase the product, to purchase the traffic source, and what is the criteria that you should look into when it comes to buying traffic using this traffic source. So first of all, what we're going to do for this demonstration purposes, I am going to go into Clickbank and I'm going to choose a product, and I'm going to choose one of the best products I believe that can make me potential sales and commissions with very minimum traffic. And then after that, I'm going to reveal the traffic source and I'm going to show you what to do when it comes to buying traffic, what is the criteria that I would follow so you can get the best results. So let's dive into this video. So I'm in Clickbank. Now remember, when it comes to buying traffic, or when it comes to actually getting traffic to any kind of affiliate offers, you can promote any offer. Now I recommend promoting offers related to make money online and affiliate marketing, and for this purpose I'm going to choose a Clickbank product, but you can choose another network product as well. So for any reason, if you're not into Clickbank or you have not been accepted into Clickbank, you don't have to worry. You could promote any other product with another network related to make money online. I'm just going to type in that best product that I believe that will convert. Okay, so in this case it's going to be this product down here. It's called the Instagram Money Maker with 0 followers. When I look at the sales page, it's got a very good high converting sales page. Okay, and at the same time they are giving a lot of bonuses as well. Okay, where I get a complete done for you business in a box, where I can actually have this product as my own, sell it and earn 100% profit, integrate it with PayPal, Stripe, or any other payment platforms. So I love this product. Not just that I'm getting a product with a complete course where I can learn how to make $100 plus every single day using a free traffic source called Instagram, but at the same time I'm getting the complete done for you biz in a box as a bonus to sell this product as my own and earn 100% profit. So I'm going to promote this product. Now this product is paying 75% commission, and to get my affiliate link I just need to click on get affiliate link and I can start promoting this product. So just say I want to promote this product. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to head over to the traffic source that I was talking about. So let's go into the traffic source. Now the traffic source is called Udemy. This is a traffic source that you can buy traffic from. Okay, it's an email traffic platform where you purchase traffic. People will blast an email out on your behalf to the entire subscriber list, and you're going to build a list. Now once you have joined this traffic to join this traffic source, it's free. If you're ready to join this traffic source using my link, here's the link popping up on the screen. Okay, just go to this website address and you can join this traffic. So I will have all my links in my description box below this video as well. Alright, so once you have joined this traffic, so you will get a personal message from me. Okay, and this is only if you join this traffic source using the link that's popping up on the screen. So open up a new browser, go to this website address, and you will be able to join this traffic source for free. Okay, now a lot of people make a very big mistake. What they do is once they have joined this traffic source, they start looking for good people and they get desperate. Alright, now I get it, you get desperate to make money, but you want to take your time out to find the right person, because if you do this right, you will be making, potentially you will be making a lot of money for a very long time. Okay, so take some time out. It can take from a couple of minutes to a couple of hours to find the right person. But once you have found the right person with the right offer, then you are good to go. You have got a green signal to start scaling your business and taking it to the next level. All right, so let me show you how to buy traffic from the right person and what is the criteria to look for. Okay, so first of all, what you want to do, you want to go to buy solo ads. Okay, and then you could see this setting. Okay, if you want to take a screenshot of this setting, just take it. Okay, because this is what I would do. All right, so you want to have this setting. So visitors 300, niche is going to be marketing. Okay, traffic from top tier countries, got to say 30%. Okay, so if I scroll down, the first person that's coming is this person. All right, I could see that buyer percentage is 36%, not bad, 40 cents per click. Okay, so let me just click on it and let me see what she has to offer. Now this person is from Malaysia, and all right, so whenever you don't understand anything, what you want to do is just hover your mouse and Udemy will explain what this all is all about. Now this number, I look into this number very, very carefully. You know why? Because this is the buyer percentage. How many people reported a sale using this person's traffic? 36% is good. Anything above 20% is good. But the higher the number, the better, which means you have a very good chance to make sales from this person's traffic. Okay, then this is repeated customers. Okay, so make sure this number is matching. Now if this number is very high, above 50%, I would recommend this to be at least 25%. Okay, if it's like 50% plus here and 14% here, it's not matching. It's not matching. Because why is the buy percentage so high and the repeated customer so less? If you're making money, you want people to come back to buy more traffic, right? So you need to see the matching of these two numbers. All right, so the higher this number, the better. All right, so 50% plus, if you find someone with 50% plus, you've got a very, very good chance for you to make sales using this person's traffic. Like I said, it will depend on the offer and your email swipes. You could send a message to this person asking them questions. You could add them as a friend. Okay, and then you just want to scroll down, and the first thing you want to do is you want to select this. So moving the bar will tell you how many clicks you want. You want to start off with 300 clicks. Okay, and then you want to select only top tier, that means English speaking countries. You want to click on prime filter, making sure that you're getting good quality traffic. And in here, you're going to put your affiliate link. Now, putting an affiliate link, direct link, okay, taking it from Clickbank, that's okay. But I would recommend building an email list. So you want to build an email list using a landing page just like this. So you can create a free landing page just like this that I'm revealing on my screen right now. Okay, and I highly recommend you send traffic to the landing page. Okay, you want to put it here. Okay, and once you have added and copy and pasted your landing page into this, okay, then what you want to do is you want to scroll down and just click on continue and purchase the traffic. Once you have purchased the traffic, your traffic should start within 24 hours. Now remember, you are focusing on list building, subscriber list. The bigger list, the more chances for you to make money. One person on your list equals to $1 per month. So you can do the math that if you have 5,000 people on your list, you can potentially make $5,000 a month. If you have 10,000 people on your list, you can potentially make $10,000 a month and more. All right, so you want to focus on list building to build that list and get it to at least 10,000 subscribers so you can start making super fast money. Okay, now if you purchase traffic from this person and you made at least one sale from 300 clicks, even though you're not in profit, but you made one sale, that just shows that this person's got very, very good traffic. That also shows that you are promoting a very good offer with this person's traffic. You don't need to switch the offer. Okay, then what I would do, I would come back and buy 500 clicks. If I made one sale, minimum one sale again, then I will buy 750 clicks. If I made one sale again, then I will buy 1,000 clicks. If I made one sale, minimum one sale again, then I will buy 1,500 clicks. If I made one sale again, then 2,000 clicks. If I made one sale again, then 2,500 clicks. If I made one sale again, then 3,000 clicks. That's how I would do it. Okay? Now you might be asking, wait, one sale a day, I'm not in profit. Why are you telling me to buy traffic more? Because number one, it proves that this person's got a very good list, very good email subscribers and buyer traffic. Number two, it proves that there's potential for you to make money on an ongoing basis by you actually sending out emails to these subscribers. So even though you just made one sale right now, you're not stopping there. Once these people are in your list, you're going to continue to send emails out with different promotions, different Clickbank products, and you're going to make more and more and more money. Okay? We just need to put ourselves on the safe side and prove to ourselves that yes, this person's got very, very good traffic. This is the criteria that I just showed you with this person. But what I would recommend, if you made a sale, you want to increase the traffic by 250 clicks. So first you bought 300 clicks. You made a sale, then 500 clicks. You made a sale, then 750 clicks. Okay? You made a sale, then 1,000 clicks. Okay? And if you made a sale again, then you want to buy again 1,000 clicks. Do not go to 1,500, 2,000, 2,500, 3,000. Okay? Just stick to 1,000 clicks and continue to buy traffic from this person until you are making sales, while looking for another email traffic provider on this network and start to use the same criteria. So you already have one person in your portfolio. Okay, so you already have one person in your list where you're already buying traffic, but at the same time you are starting to look for other top solo ad providers where you can buy traffic, and you're going to use that same criteria. 300 clicks, you made a sale. 500 clicks, you made a sale. 750 clicks, you made a sale. 1,000 clicks, and then you're going to continue to buy 1,000 clicks each until you're making sales. And then you're going to look for a third person, and that's how you're going to start buying simultaneously traffic from 5, 6, 7, 8 different providers, and you're building your list rapidly fast. You're getting to 1,000 subscribers, 2,000 subscribers, 5,000 subscribers, 10,000 subscribers. And as you grow your list, you're going to start seeing potential sales, potential commissions, and potential income growth rapidly fast. Okay, so this is how I will do it. Now, one of the important parts to remember, okay, which is very, very, very important. What about if you didn't make a sale? So you bought 300 clicks, you didn't make a sale. Does that mean you wasted money? No, because you build a list. Remember that you're building a list. You probably didn't make a sale because you don't have email swipes, or you don't have good email swipe, or your product is not good. So don't worry, because you're going to be promoting different products to these people, so you are going to potentially make sales. Alright, so you don't have to worry about that. But what I will do, just because I want to stay on the safe side, if 300 click didn't make me any sales, then I will not buy traffic from this person again. First, before doing that, I will check my email swipes, making sure that I'm getting a good open rate, good click-through rate. I will also check the product, making sure that the product is quite good. In my case, I will ask myself, if I was a newbie looking to make money online and I came across this product, would I purchase the product? If the answer is yes, then I would definitely promote it. Okay, after seeing everything, that my emails are good, my product is good, why didn't I make any money? Then in that case, I will go and switch to another provider. I will not buy traffic from this person again, just to stay on the safe side. Okay, now just because I didn't make money does not mean that the traffic wasn't good. The traffic is good. There's a possibility the product that you're promoting is not good, or the email swipe is not good. Now here's the most important criteria I would look for when it comes to purchasing traffic from anyone on Udemy, and I want you to follow that criteria. Here's what it is. Check this out. Check this out. Look at this. Got sales. Okay, I'm looking for this got sales from 5 different people in the last 30 days. That's my criteria to buy traffic. If I see this got sales from 5 different people in the last 30 days, I know this person's got very, very good traffic. Okay? If I don't see this, that doesn't mean the person doesn't have good traffic. but I'm not going to buy traffic from this person. I want to stay on the safe side. Unless I personally know the person, I have connection with the person, then I will buy traffic. Other than that, if I don't know the person, and I don't see these got sales from 5 different people in the last 30 days, then I will not buy traffic. Now, if I see here, I can see one got sale that was on 9 December 2025. That's about 3.5 months ago. Okay, 4 months ago. So I'm not going to buy traffic from this person. I'm going to go back, buy solo ad, and look for someone that has this got sales bar from 5 different people in the last 30 days. Okay, if there's only 3, 4, or 5, but it's going above 30 days, I will not buy the traffic. Okay, so that's my criteria. This is the most important criteria that I look for when it comes to buying traffic on this network. If you follow these steps, there's a very big chance for you to potentially make sales, commissions, and succeed when it comes to list building and making affiliate commissions with different affiliate networks like Clickbank. Now, if you still haven't joined this free network, here's the link popping up on the screen. Open up a new browser, go to this website address, and create your free account right now. Don't wait till tomorrow. Tomorrow never comes, okay? Just do it now. Create your free account, then take some time out to find some good people, start purchasing traffic, and watch how your list starts to grow, which means potentially sales growth, income growth, affiliate commission growth, okay? So that's all for now. Thank you for watching my video.